when you're able to kind of add each ingredient layer by layer, you can have a lot more control over what actually goes into the food. In that way, you can do a lot in terms of nutrition control by dialing in, okay, I want this much potassium, this much calcium, this much vitamin A, and it will kind of learn from your habits too over time, recommend meals for you.
On the roof, we shine a blue laser to cook and just texturize the top surface.
We wanted to show how laser cooking can be used to texturize the food and also just to give you more flavor expression for certain parts of it. And you can control this type of heat to get browning versus broiling and baking. So it's a great way to kind of bring the whole story together, I think, to create one digital cooking platform that can do everything. It was pretty cool. I would even definitely have it again. And I'll say in terms of the general tasting experience, it's different because each of the ingredients are layered and are really close levels. So when you bite into it, you get these waves of flavors that hit your palate at different times. So it kind of made us realize you can localize the flavor in a really cool way.